Welcome to Vision Academy, Daily Current Affairs in English. Date April 22nd, 2021. Let's start with international news. European Union to reduce greenhouse gas by 2023. The European Union has agreed to reduce its greenhouse gas emission 53% by 2023. The International Paris Climate Change Agreement in 2015 held in France capital Paris. The upcoming International Climate Change Conference for this year going to chaired by US President Joe Biden along with 40 countries will be held on April 22nd and 23. The virtual leaders summit will be live streamed for public viewing. Sri Lanka expels ship carrying nuclear material for China. Sri Lanka has asked a Chinese ship to leave the southern port of Hambantota after it was found to be carrying radioactive material. The country's Atomic Energy Regulatory Council said the ship, name called MV Naples, was asked to leave after it was found to be in the Chinese run port of Hambantota on Tuesday night carrying uranium hexafluoride. Amazon is opening a hair salon. Amazon is opening a hair salon in London. Its latest push from online to brick and mortar, and a move that allows it to collect more real world consumer data. In the meantime, the e-commerce giant is opening a new tech heavy hair salon in partnership with a prominent UK stylist. National news. India has been elected to 3 key bodies of United Nations Economic and Social Council. Those 3 bodies are Commission on Crime Prevention and Criminal Justice, then Executive Board of UN Women, then Executive and Executive Board of World Food Programme. India was elected by acclamation to the Executive Board of the United Nations Entity for Gender Equality and Empowerment of Women for 3-year term beginning on January 1st, 2022. Coronavirus, very few post-vaccine infections. These vaccines definitely protect against disease. However, the immune response begins to develop usually 2 weeks after every dose, and there are variation within individuals too. Even after the first dose, if exposure to the virus happens, one can test positive, said Dr. Balram Bhargava, Director General and Indian Council of Medical Research. Bharat Biotech to produce 70 crore dose of Covaxin annually. Indian vaccine manufacturer Bharat Biotech on Tuesday announced expansion of its vaccine production capacity. The firm will now produce 700 million or 7 crore doses of Covaxin a year. This decision to scale up the production capacity of the Covaxin comes at the time when India is witnessing a shortage of COVID-19 vaccine as a country battles the second wave of pandemic. The Bharat Biotech said manufacturing scale has been ramped up and is being carried out in the stepwise manner across multiple facilities at Hyderabad and Bangalore. Covaxin is an indigenously developed COVID-19 vaccine. It was developed by the Hyderabad-based vaccine manufacturer Bharat Biotech in collaboration with the Indian Council of Medical Research and the National Institute of Virology. 5 more states announced free vaccine. Uttar Pradesh Assam government announced free vaccination to all aged above 18 after Prime Minister Narendra Modi in his address to the nation spoke of the world's largest vaccination drive underway in India. 2 BJP ruled states, Uttar Pradesh and Assam, announced that they would provide free COVID vaccination to those aged above 18 from May 1st onwards. 5 more states announced free vaccine. A day after BJP ruled state Uttar Pradesh and Assam were first off the block to announce free COVID vaccine for all adults. Several states including Opposition governed Kerala and Chhattisgarh announced a similar move, reiterating that the state would provide free COVID vaccine to people of all age groups in the state. Former RBI Governor Narasimhan dies. Former RBI Governor M. Narasimhan passed away on Tuesday at the Hyderabad hospital following COVID-related illness. He was 94. Narasimhan is the only governor to be appointed from the Reserve Bank cadre. He was the 13th governor of RBI and served a short tenure of 7 months between May and November in 1977. Before he was succeeded by I.G. Patel, his tenure was marked by some interesting events. According to RBI History Volume 3, during Narasimhan tenure, then Finance Minister H.M. Patel had happened to be in Bombay when credit policy for 1977 was announced. Tamil Nadu news. TN Archaeology makes encouraging findings near Gangaikonda Cholapuram. The made some encouraging finding less than 2 months into the excavation at Maligai Medu near Gangaikonda Cholapuram, the capital of King Rajendra Chola. 13 course brick wall have been exposed so far at the site. A copper coin, some postsheets, and iron pieces have been collected. Besides, a piece of Chinese celadon ware belonging to 10th to 11th century has also been found. 5 states wasted 23% COVID vaccine till April 11th. Tamil Nadu topped the list. As high as 23% total vaccine distributed in India have gone to waste till April 11th, and 5 states accounted for the highest wastage. A report stating the response to an RTI query said on Monday the states included Tamil Nadu, Haryana, Punjab, Manipur, and Telangana. Tamil Nadu recorded highest number of wasted vaccine doses. Important dates. National Civil Service Day on April 21st. Every year, the National Civil Service Day is observed on April 21st to commemorate the effect of civil servants for implementing the government policy and schemes. Government has chosen April 21st as a National Civil Service Day because on this day, the first Home Minister Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel addressed the probationer of Indian Administrative Service IAS officers at Metcalfe House, New Delhi in 1947. Patel had referred to the civil servant as steel frame of India. World Creativity and Innovation Day, April 21st. World Creativity and Innovation Day 2021 celebrates the creative economy that consists of audio-visual products, design, new media, performing arts, publishing, and visual arts. The creativity and innovation sector is a highly transformative sector of the world economy in terms of income generation, job creation, and export earnings. World Earth Day on April 22nd. Theme of this year: Restore Our Earth. Earth Day on international events celebrated around the world to pledge support for environmental protection. The year 2021 marks the 51st anniversary of annual celebration. Expected question. Question number 1. European Union countries to reduce greenhouse gas emission by 53% within which year? Answer 2023. Question number 2. Which country returned the Chinese ship that came to their home port with radioactive materials? Answer Sri Lanka. Question number 3. Where will the Air Saloon business open by Amazon? Answer London. Question number 4. Which of the following organization of the United Nations Social and Economic Council India got elected? Answer United Nations UNECOSOC. Expansion United Nations Economic and Social Council. Question number 5. Corona infection affects more than 21,000 people in the country who have been vaccinated against corona, said by which organization? Answer ICMR. Indian Council Medical Research. Question number 6 has been called the father of banking reforms. Answer Maithalu Narasimhan. Question number 7 which state tops the list of states wasting corona vaccine? Answer Tamil Nadu. Question number 8 which state have the highest wastage of corona vaccine? Which is second wastage, highest second wastage of corona vaccine? Answer Haryana. Question number 9 when was Civil Service Day observed every year? Answer April 21st. Question number 10 when was National Civil Service Day constituted? Answer April 21st, 2006. Question number 11 how did Patel call government employees? Answer Steel Frame of India. Question number 12 when was World Creativity and Innovation Day observed? Answer April 21st. Question number 13 when was World Creativity and Innovation Day constituted? Answer 2017. Question number 14 when was World Earth Day observed every year? Answer April 22nd. Question number 15 what was the theme of World Earth Day observed in 2021? Answer Restore our Earth. For daily current affairs updates, subscribe to Vision Academy YouTube channel. For the regular notification, press the bell icon. Thank you.